Polynomial definition. What is a polynomial? Already have definition. Polynomial. Definition of polynomial. What is a polynomial means? An algebraic expression having non-negative exponentials are called polynomial. An algebraic expression containing non-negative exponents are called polynomial. I am writing once again here. On algebraic expression containing non-negative exponents are called polynomial. Examples. For example, I am taking 9x. See the only observe the variables. 9x to the power of nothing means I am taking 1 here. Then 1 is a positive number. Non-negative exponents here. Non-negative exponents. So it is not negative. It is a positive one. Then it is a polynomial. Then I am writing 2x square minus 3. So in this minus is there, but you are not counting the terms. Just to observe that all terms means all variables. 3x is a constant and 2x square. Just to observe the exponent value, exponents only. 2 plus 2, so it is also a polynomial. Then I am writing 3 square root of root 3x. Root 3x I am writing. Then root value, it is a x value, but x as nothing is there, then it is a 1. It is a polynomial. It is also a polynomial. But if you are taking under square root of root 3x, square root for 3 and x, then it is a not a polynomial. Then it is a not a polynomial. Why? Means this square root can be written as in third form 1 by 2. Already you know, instead square root can be written as a 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 again you can written as a 1 by this something means you are writing negative of minus 3. So observe the variable exponent is negative term. Then it is a not a polynomial. It is a polynomial definition. Now once again I am writing x by 2 is a polynomial. X by 2 is a polynomial, but it will be reciprocal. 2 by x is not a polynomial. Why? This x can be written as a 2 into 1 by x. Again 1 by something you can written as a negative terms. Denominator will be in negative terms. Here also 1 by x. Then x to the power of it is a minus 1. Then it is also a negative term. Then it is also not a polynomial. Then there is a 3 conditions. Simply non-negative means there is a 3 conditions. What are the 3 conditions means? In the question directly they are not giving the negative exponents means that is not a polynomial. And second condition is that variable terms are not having the square root numbers. If they are root have means you can written as 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 like that. But it again square root means you are writing in short form, it will be negative. And it is x by 2. Numerator parts means constant will be in the denominator, but variables are in the denominator part means you can written is 2 into 1 by 2. Again it is 1 by x means it can be written as a minus x to the power of minus 1. Then it is a negative term, negative exponential. Then it is a not a polynomial. Is it clear? Polynomial definition. What are the coefficients? If I am writing here, write the coefficients of x cube, x square and x. Okay, now write the coefficients of x cube, x square and x. Means I am taking one question here. 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 9. Then write the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube. Cube term is this one. This cube term have which numerical value? Minus 2. Then coefficient of x cube is equal to, what is the numerical value of x cube means, that is the coefficient of x cube, minus 2. There is a minus 2 is there, I am writing minus 2 only. Again, that coefficient of x square here, coefficient of x square, what is the numerical value of x square? Plus 2, not minus 2, plus 2. Next, coefficient of x also, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is not, sir, there is nothing, sir, means before the variable there is nothing, means there is a 1. Then plus 1. And these are the coefficients of the polynomials. And last one is the constants. What is the meaning of constant? Means without any variable, only numerical values. Only numerical values. Only numerical values means only numerical. There is no variables. Variable means there is no letters. A to Z is any small letters are not there. Then it is a constant. Observe once this polynomial. This 2 has a x cube. 2 is a variable. 2 is a variable. 1 is a variable. 9. There is no variables. There is no x term. So then constant term is then in this section polynomial is completed, coefficients are completed, and constant topics also completed. 3 topics are completed now. Next section now to learn about the degree of the polynomial and zero of the polynomial and value of the polynomial. That's the 3 topics. Section we learn about the degree of the polynomial and zero of the polynomial and value of the polynomials. See here, what is the degree of the polynomial means? In a polynomial, otherwise I am taking let p of x is a polynomial and the highest power of, otherwise power or exponent of p of x, or means p of x means is a polynomial. The highest power of p of x is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial means, let us to take any polynomial. You want me to take any polynomial. That polynomial I am taking p of x here is a polynomial, and in that polynomial highest power or exponent is called degree of the polynomial. See what I am writing one example here. 2x to the power of 10 plus x cube plus x to the power of 11 plus more constant also. What is the degree of the polynomial? If they are asking the coefficients means it is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Coefficient of x to the power of 11 is 1. coefficient of x to the power of 10 is equal to 2. Like that to clearly read the question. What they are asking: coefficients, constants, and degree of the polynomial. This section is you are talking about the degree of the polynomial. So, what is the meaning highest power? So, what is the highest power in this term? Powers and finally. It is constant. It is 1. It is 11. It is 3. It is 10. Then what is the highest one? 11. Then degree of P of x is equal to 11. Is it clear now? Degree of the polynomial is 11. Then I am writing one more example. See this? This also I am taking one of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of P of x I am writing. What is the degree of the polynomial? It is a constant, it is a variable, it is also variable. So, some numbers are taking these numbers 12, 14, or 24. That are numerical values now. Just I am explaining powers. 13. Here nothing means 1. It is 4. We are taking the highest number means it is 24, but not 24. Powers. Powers అంటే దాని పైన ఉండేటి పైన ఉండేవి చూడాలి 1 here 13 here 1 here 4 which is the highest is the 13. Is it clear? It is the zero of a polynomial. What is zero of the polynomial means if p of x is a polynomial we will take ever wish to take any polynomial. In that polynomial and x means and k is the real number means you are replacing the any values of in that polynomial. It is satisfy the polynomial. How it is satisfying means when you are replacing the x value by any numerical values, then you are getting the zero result. Then the polynomial is called zero of the polynomial. Real number k, then the value of obtained means you are getting some value obtained by replacing by x to some numerical value. Here k means you are wish to take some values. That values you are substituting that given polynomial. You are getting the zero means that is the zero of the polynomial. If I am taking one example here, x square minus 4 p of x is equal to x square minus 4. Then I am replacing it x is equal to 2 now. Replacing by 2. Then p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 4 means 2 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. See? You are getting 0. Then this polynomial is at 2. It is the 0 of the polynomial. It is satisfying the condition at 2. It is satisfying the value of 2. Then it is 0 of the polynomial. Is it clear? Of a polynomial. What is the definition? The same definition of 0 of the polynomial, but here you are getting the some value replacing by x by k, and you are getting the some value of the polynomial means x is equal to k. Then it is not exactly 0. Something you are getting the value. That value is value of the polynomial. Then I am taking p of x is equal to x cube minus 4. Same problem, but I am taking x cube. At x is equal to see here in x and k is replaced with the real number. Then the value obtained by the replacing of x by k. Then I am replacing x is equal to 2 or 3 or 4 whatever it is. Then find the value of this polynomial. 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 4 means 2 cube is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to we are getting the value. So this polynomial value is 4. This polynomial value is 4. Is it clear? That are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Already we have degree of polynomial. In this section, remaining topics are in that polynomial are Definitions of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. These three are in the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Already we learned in the previous classes. So, degree of polynomials, three types of polynomials are there: quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. After identities of algebraic expressions, next topic is expand the forms, expanded form of identities. Next one, factorization. Next, on long divisions. And last one is extends 2.5. All problems are very, very important. Extend 2.5. Sir, only you mentioned here 2.5 means here not only 2.5 no, 2.4 and 2.1, 2.3 all are that are the basic knowledge of polynomials. But some problematic problems are some difficult problems are there in that 2.5. That's the reason I am mentioning here 2.5 Excel problems. Say that the sixth problem onwards. First problem, second problem, third problem. Just we substitute the identities in that particular numerical values, we will get the answer. Nothing will happen. But in sixth problem onwards, there is some lengthy problems are there. Not lengthy problems, just some difficult. Okay, the problems to practice for 2.5 and you will learn more topics in that polynomial chapter. These are the topics in that polynomials. In that 2.4, eighth problem, ax square plus bx plus c and bx square plus ax plus c is equal to have common factor of x plus 1. Both having the common factor x plus 1 is equal to, then you have to show that c is equal to 0 and a is equal to b here. Then first I am taking what is the factor? Common factor x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then I am taking x is equal to minus 1. Then I am substituting in this both polynomials ax square plus bx plus c is equal to bx square plus ax plus c. Then see this in that left side and right side both having the c values. Then I am cancelling both these and I am substituting x is equal to minus 1 in this. Minus 1 square b into minus 1 b into minus 1 square plus a into minus 1. Then minus in whole square means it is a, plus into minus is minus b, then it is plus b and minus a. See here, plus into minus is minus a. Then send all a's are one side, b's are one side. A, this minus a becomes plus a. B, this minus b becomes plus b. Then 2a is equal to 2b. Again 2 cancel. Then what you get now? A is equal to b. Already c is cancelled here. Then therefore c is equal to 0. Already it is cancelled. Then a is equal to b or proving that condition. A is equal to b. See this? Then show that c is equal to 0 and a is equal to b. A is equal to b is here. You are getting this or not? Is it clear?